In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Disk Unknown Not Initialized. First thing you're going to do is open this PC and find the disk you're having issues with. So for example, I'm having issues with this disk, number C. So you go here, type in cmd, right click, run as administrator, and here you're going to type in chk dsk space, type in the letter of your disk, space /r space /f. This letter should be the same as your disk letter, so if you're having different letter, put it here, press enter and let it load. So once this finishes loading, try to see if this fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then go back to cmd, right click, run as administrator, and here you want to type in cfc/scan now and press enter and let it load. So after the first command loads, now you want to type the next command, type in disk part, and here wait for it for a few seconds. So after this appears, you need to type in list space disk. Then you're gonna find the disks. Here you can tell the disk by the size, so find the size for your disk, and for me it's disk number 1. So you select space disk 1, press enter. Now you would type in clean. So this will format your disk and it will clean it and format it. So press enter and let it load. So after this one loads, now you want to type the second command, convert gpt, and press enter and let it load. So once you finish loading the command, now you want to type in create partition and then primary. Press enter and let it load. Then you need to type the second command after this one loads, format space quick space fs equals n tfs. Then press enter and let it load. So it might take a few seconds or minutes. So after it loads, you just want to type in assign and press enter, and after this you can just close this down, restart your computer, and see if this fixes your issue. So if it doesn't, try restarting your computer again, and hopefully this should fix your issue.